How's it going, guys? Just a quick little intro to this video. So basically, I got a new exhaust setup on the G8. Haven't taken the time to actually pull it out of the garage and then do like a walk around and everything. And it's very loud now. It was decently loud before, but it is like obnoxious now. But it still sounds good. So you're gonna see a few clips that I got of the exhaust. The first one is like the first startup. And then the second one would be me leaving the driveway where I had the exhaust done. And then the third clip is pretty much me doing a pull like a half mile away in the distance. So pretty soon I will get a video and I'll pull the car out of the garage and do like a walk around and explain everything. But in the meantime, enjoy these video clips.